our Slayglam box. This actually just arrived, so I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys. This is newer to our subscription unboxings. Definitely make sure to follow me. Oh, I couldn't think. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram, because what I have been doing is with any of the makeup or the palettes or what have you, I've actually been doing like little tutorials over on Instagram. As you guys may or may not know, I am really trying to grow our Instagram following over there as well. I really want that swipey uppy. My goal for 2020 is to get to 10K over on Instagram. So if you guys would, please go over there at HOTMESSMOMMA4, and I'll pop it up over here. Just go over there, give me a big old follow. I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, I've been putting up little videos showing you guys the products that I am receiving in some of our subscription boxes. So anyways, before we jump into the video, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We sit back, relax, we chit chat about makeup in this beautiful, judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, and we remember it is in fact just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. So if you don't like the contour, if you don't like whatever, it's fine. It washes off. It's not the end of the world. So let's go ahead and jump into our Slayglam box. Okay guys, so before I open it up, a little information about our Slayglam box. This is a monthly subscription service. It is $24 every single month, and it does say we will receive 5 to 7 full-size products, and you will receive at least $100 worth of goodies in this box. And I have to say, you guys know I love pink, and I love, like, I just love the packaging of it. I think it's so cute. They also have an Instagram, so definitely go check them out on Instagram. I know that shipping has been a bit of a struggle, and I think that they said they were changing over systems or something. So I have to say they've been really good about keeping us up to date about shipments and everything going on. So the first item, actually before is there a card? Because I like to get by the cards. Let's see if we can find the card. Okay, I don't see a card in here, so I'm not for sure if this is the July box or the August, but my guess would be this would be the July box, but again, don't take it to the bank. I'm not for sure. So the first item that I see here is Be a Bombshell. It's in the shade Hocus Pocus. I immediately went to fall. Is fall like the happy time for y'all too? I just think, like, I love the fall leaves. I love the scent of fall. I love, like, the, I'm gonna go totally basic here, but the scent of pumpkin. Heck, I like pumpkin all year round, the whole scent of that. So anyways, like I said, this is Be a Bombshell. Ooh, it's a really pretty, like, cream blush product. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch this because, as a lot of you guys know, I have purchased a lot of cream blushers, and I actually have one that I feel like is going to be very similar in that shade, which is my little milk one that I got in another subscription. Maybe this is a little darker. If not, I feel like the Cool Berry from Fenty Beauty would be very similar. Let's go ahead and compare. Yeah. So if you have Cool Berry, it's going to be very similar to that one. So I am going to go ahead and set it aside and do a giveaway over on my Instagram. So again, if you're not following me over on Instagram, I would love to have you over there. And this will be the second giveaway that I've done over there, and it went pretty awesome the first time. So anyways, that is the first product. Unfortunately, I'm not 100% on how much that has a retail value of. So let's move on to the next product. This is by this brand right here. And let's take a little look. Oh, this is cute. This is a lipstick, and I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna open it. It's a really pretty, kind of like an orangey, like an orangey terracotta color. Actually, I am gonna swatch this because this is really pretty. Oh, I love this. We're talking fall. Isn't that pretty? I feel like here lately I've been just buying so many nudes, but since I got the OFRA Cosmetics Gen Love's Review collab, I've definitely been using deeper shades and then kind of doing the metamorphosis on them and lightening them up or ombreing them out. So I actually really like this. Like I said, if you're following me over on Instagram, you will see a tutorial using these products. I really like that. Okay, moving right along to some more goodies in here. Again, packaged really nicely. What is this? How cute is this? Okay, so this looks like a little egg, but it is a highlighter, and it's in the shade Sparkle Fairy. Isn't that so cute? I think that is so fun. Oh, I wish I had a little postcard thingy in here so I could tell you guys about everything. This is cool. Okay, so this again is by, I think, Hikari. Okay, so full-size product. It's a cruelty-free brand. Let me go ahead and open this up. This is so neat looking. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I gotta swatch it. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I really like this. I think this shade will definitely work. How neat is that? Oh, I'm totally living for it. Okay, so like I said, this brand is a cruelty-free brand, and it does have a shelf life of 12 months. And then the last item in here, ooh, Glamour Me Color Eyeshadow. This is what the packaging looks like. Really pretty packaging. Here's the back. I like that you get like the back to not only give you the shades, the colors to expect, but also the shade names. This is a cruelty-free brand, and it does have an 18-month shelf life. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh, we're gonna do some swatches, friends. So look at this mirror. Like this mirror, great size mirror. So perfect. I like this. I like the setup of this as well. Nice, beautiful color. Let's, ooh, whoa, those are creamy. Oh, I love creamy shimmers, guys. Let's do some swatches. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I really like this. I really, really like this. Let's go into some more shades. These shimmers are really nice. Oh, I kind of mixed that one. Okay, let's do some mattes. It's so funny, I didn't even plan on filming. And then, like I said, Haley and I did the Ipsy. Even the mattes are really creamy. And then I thought, oh, I might as well. Okay, so I'd say they're gonna build up really nicely. Like, obviously I know that swatches don't tell the full story, but I think I'm really going to enjoy this palette. And of course, I love the fact that it has a bone shade here where I can set my primer, and it does, ooh, whoa, whoa. This palette, this is new to me, this brand. Holy moly. Do you guys see the pigmentation here? Oh my goodness. So the brand is, I think, called Steb, S-T-E-B. This is really nice, guys. Definitely follow me over on Instagram because I will be putting a look together for you guys with this palette. It's gonna, I feel like, be a really pretty, vibrant, colorful palette. You know what this palette almost reminds me of? Is the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. You guys get those vibes? Like, I guess not really totally, because that one has, I think, more neutrals in it than this one. I don't know why it's reminding me of it, but maybe, I don't know what it is. But this is a really pretty palette, and it's got a like nice weight to it as well. This is really nice. And if I forgot to mention, this was actually sent to me complimentary from Slayglambox to unbox and review for you guys. I am really excited to play around with these products with this palette. I will definitely, like I said, put a little tutorial together for you guys creating a look. And I think for $24, everything that we received in here, I'm really pleased with it. Let me open this highlighter up real quick. Well, do I? I've got so many highlighters. I feel like I should give this to you guys. I think I'll put this in a giveaway with the cream blusher, only because I already have so many things in my collection. I don't want to be wasteful. So this will definitely be going into a giveaway and over on my Instagram channel, or Instagram. But these other products, I will definitely be putting a look together for you guys. I think 5 products here, $24. I really liked this one. And again, I don't know if this is the July. I'm not for sure if it's the August, because it is July when I received it. So my guess would be this is the July box. This is amazing. I really truly like this. And if you guys are trying to grow your makeup collection, like I always tell you guys, this subscription boxes, subscription services are a great way to do that. Now granted, you've kind of got to keep an open mind when it comes to the items that you may receive. When it comes to Slayglambox, you do not get to customize the products in here, but I find that they seem to be pretty versatile on the items that you do receive. So anyways guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you think this was worth the $24? I really wish that there was a card in here, but maybe she did mention that for July, we weren't going to be receiving a card. I can't remember. Like I said, Slayglambox also has an Instagram. You can go over, check them out as well. They are pretty good about keeping you up to date with their shipping delays and etc. So anyways guys, if you received this box, let me know your favorite item out of this box. I have to say, I'm pretty excited about the palette and this little contour bronzer doohickey. I'm really excited about that. So anyways, don't forget, follow me for like the 15th time over on my Instagram. There is also a giveaway going on right now on our channel. It is the Alter Ego It is the Alter Ego Artemis palette. This one is my palette, guys, but there is a palette and a primer on this channel giveaway. I will have it linked down below for you guys. This is actually a dupe for the highly expensive $129 Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I do have a dedicated video, is it a dupe or just a waste of money, with both of these palettes, as well as we should like do a thing like every time I say Instagram, you guys, you know. Anyways, I do have a look over on my Instagram using the Artemis palette, and it is a really good comparable dupe. I've had many of you guys ask, is it a formula dupe? I don't necessarily think it is a formula dupe, but as far as the colors go, I have been very successful creating looks from this palette that look identical or darn near identical as the Natasha Denona Metropolis. So if you are interested in picking it up, I will leave a link down below for you guys. Code HOTMESS will save you 10%. It is an affiliate code, just letting you guys know. And I do believe I have a coupon code as far as it goes for Slayglambox. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys if you are interested in signing up for Slayglambox. It is not an affiliate code. It is simply just a way for you guys to save money. So anyways, friends, all information will be in the description box down below. And until next time, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!